In today's video, I will demonstrate the process of changing the iPhone keyboard to board. To initiate this change, open the App Store and download the Board application. Once the download is complete, launch the application and click on Get Started. This action will redirect you to your settings. Within the settings, select Keyboards and enable Board. Additionally, enable Allow Full Access and click on Allow. Afterward, return to the Board application and click on Got It. To switch from the iPhone keyboard to board, long-click on the word icon and select Board from the options provided.